Hi there, this is Sanjay, and I welcome you all to this English learning YouTube channel, English Every Day. As always, we talk about Indian accent because many people they are still struggling with Indian accent. One of our subscribers has suggested that we should focus more about the sounds because we find that in India people make different sound at the time of speaking. At the same time, when we compare this with American sound, we find slight changes. The sounds are typically T sound, B sound, W, V sound. So in this video, we are going to talk about different sounds in Indian and American English. Along with this, we'll be talking about how these sounds are created. So don't go for any other things. I mean, just focus completely on this video because this video is going to give you more insights about how Indian people speak English, and this will make you become more familiar with Indian accent. So without getting late, let's jump into the video and we're going to talk about the first sound, that is the strong T sound. So what happens in India, people speak English, so they fold their tongue. They fold their tongue. You can see my tongue. I'm just going to fold to make T sound. I say like T. You can check. I just close to the camera. T. I just touch my tongue to the upper teeth, make it round and make a sound like a T. Tiger, tomato, temple, temporary. Okay, so this is very easy for Indian people to make a strong T sound. We say, I don't have time. Can you please give me the address for the temple? Temple. Or tomato is my favorite vegetable. So tomato, tiger, time, temple. So this is easy to make for Indian people. Whereas for American accent, it is like T, T, T. You simply need to touch your tongue to the lower T. T, T, time, tiger, tomato, temple, temporary, or there are many words you can check it out. So this is like a T sound, and somewhere or the other, when Indian people they speak a strong T sound, so it connects with the other elements, just like sometimes it goes for T, T, B, B, V. So T, B, V, P, D. I mean, these are having the similar sound. So maybe while you are in a con call or you are communicating with somebody, you may face trouble into this one. Now let's go on to the next sound, which is W and V. Now the sound is more closer to each other. Like you can say, I'm very intelligent. So very, very, very. Now very, very. So when you say W sound, you need to fold your tongue. You say W, W. You need to round your tongue. And when slightly you say the V sound, you say V, very, very. Can you tell me how are you? So you say, I'm very good, very good. I am very good, very good. I am very good. Very, very good. Very good. So this is slight a difference between Indian and American accent. Like in India, people change it. I mean, when they need to speak a very W, I mean, they need to go with we sound. They fold their tongue. And they need to make a sound for W, they just be normal, just like in American it happens. So it is something opposite we have in India as we find in America. Now, the next we have some silent word. Like in India, we pronounce each and every word clearly. It doesn't mean whether the syllable sound comes at the end or we don't need to give a pressure or emphasize on that. Just like we say, I have a car, car. He is my brother. I want to buy a computer. So computer, car, brother. So what happens in general in American accent, these words are not pronounced completely. Like say, I have a car, car, computer, water, brother. My brother is an engineer. Perform, 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 computer performance. So in India, people generally they pronounce each and every syllable words clearly. It happens like in America when we say computer. So computer, computer. So we focus more over come, and computer is like it becomes slower. Computer. But in India, it goes with like that. Computer. I want to buy a computer. My computer is very fast. Fast, fast. Can you write down fast? fast. So this is again one of the changes we find in Indian and American accent. Like in Indian people, they go for O sound, and in American it becomes A sound, like a fast, chance, dance. Do you want to dance with me? So next time when you communicate with an Indian person, you may consider these words like a job. I'm doing a job, 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 job. So it so happens within that. Now the next we have a TH sound, like a D sound. So what happens in India? People say, "This is my brother." So if I change brother also in Indian accent, say, "This is my brother. This task is very important. I am going to the market." Mhm. Let's repeat one more time. In Indian accent, if I say the strong sound, I would say, "This is my brother. I am going to the market." Okay, well, this is very important task for me. Now, what happens when in India people say they pronounce this, the D sound? In American, it slightly goes down. It says, this is my brother, 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 brother. So these are the slight changes we may find. All right, so let's, we go for the conclusion part. What we have understood in today's video. We talk about the strong T sound, where we fold the tongue to make a sound like a T and T, T, T. The second, we understood the difference between W and V sound. The next, we talk about the D sound also, TH sound, where the Indian people, they go stronger. They go TH, this is my contact details, this. All right. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to speak few words with a small gap. In that gap, you need to repeat after me, so that this will be like a practice for the listening. So you can say, I will take a small gap and you have to repeat after me. So this is my brother. This task is very important for me. I am going to the market. Can you give me the time for the next task? He is waiting for me for the next square. All right, so this is something you can stop the video, you can watch it again and something like that. So this is all for the day. This is we can conclude this much of only in this video. So in the next video, I will be coming up with some more different sounds. If you want me to describe particular vocabulary, if you have a different sounds or something you want me to describe in the next video, please do write it down in the comment option, and I would be really very happy to guide you to give you more insight about that. So thank you so much for giving your time, and have a happy time.